Hey everyone, today we're talking about the best budget robot vacuum and mop combos you can get right now. I've spent weeks researching and comparing the top models, and I'm breaking down the ones that truly stand out. Whether you want something affordable that actually cleans, needs solid mopping and smart features, or you're looking for a powerful all-in-one that handles vacuuming and mopping without constant oversight, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. Let's start with the entry-level options from the biggest name in the game, the iRobot Roomba 105 series. The Roomba 105 lineup is a massive step up from their previous budget models. You're getting LiDAR navigation that actually maps your home, which the old Roomba Combo Essential didn't have. The base vacuum-only version packs 7,000 pascals of suction. That's 250% more powerful than its predecessor, and runs a proper 4-stage cleaning system with a multi-surface brush and edge sweeper. The combo version adds a microfiber mop pad that works surprisingly well for light maintenance, though this isn't scrubbing stubborn stains. What makes the 105 series interesting is the modular approach. The robot itself weighs just over 6 pounds and keeps a slim profile at 4 inches tall, so it sneaks under most furniture without getting stuck. Performance-wise, the LiDAR lets you set no-go zones and room-specific schedules through the app, which older budget Roombas couldn't do. Battery life sits around 60 minutes on a single charge, and it auto-returns to the dock when low. The main trade-off is basic obstacle avoidance. It relies on infrared sensors rather than cameras, so stray socks and pet toys can trip it up. Price-wise, the vacuum-only model starts at $149, the combo hits $219, and versions with the auto-empty dock run around $299. This is the pick for smaller apartments or first-time robot vacuum buyers who want smart mapping without spending flagship money. Next up, we have the eufy Omni C10 and C20. The Omni C Series occupies different spots in the budget to mid-range spectrum, but both bring self-emptying convenience that undercuts most competitors. The C10 is the simpler option with a 4,000 pascal suction and a vacuum-only design. It's ultra slim at 2.85 inches, making it the lowest profile robot here, and the self-empty station holds a 3-litre dust bag good for about 60 days between changes. The C20 bumps things up considerably with 7,000 pascal suction, matching the Roomba 105, plus an all-in-one station that handles mop, washing, drying, and water refilling automatically. The mopping system uses dual rotating pads at 180 RPM with 6 newtons of downward pressure, which actually tackles dried spills rather than just pushing water around. Both models use point laser navigation, which is effective but not as sophisticated as spinning LiDAR systems. Where the C10 focuses purely on vacuuming maintenance, the C20 becomes a genuine vacuum mop combo. The station dries mops with room temperature air to prevent mildew, and transparent water tanks let you check levels without opening anything. Runtime lands around 90 to 120 minutes depending on suction mode. The catches are navigation limitations. Neither model has camera-based obstacle avoidance, and the mopping pressure, while decent, doesn't match premium units. The C10 typically sells for $219, while the C20 has been spotted between $349 and $399, depending on sales. This makes sense if you want automated dust disposal and basic mopping without learning a complicated app. The C20 especially delivers a lot of convenience for homes with mostly hard floors and light pet hair. Now, if you want to see a massive jump in raw power without leaving the mid-tier price range, the roborock Q10 S5 Plus is arguably one of the most impressive values of the year. This thing is packing a staggering 10,000 pascal of suction, which is essentially 5 times what we were seeing in top-of-the-line robots just a few years ago. It uses the Vibrise 2.0 mopping system, which vibrates the mop pad at high speeds while also being able to lift it completely when it detects carpet. This means you don't have to worry about the robot dragging a wet mop over your favourite area rugs. Performance-wise, the Q10 S5 Plus is a beast on carpets. In various deep clean tests, its high suction and optimised brush design allow it to pull up fine dust and pet hair that other robots often miss. The navigation is also top tier, utilising LiDAR combined with front-facing obstacle avoidance sensors to navigate around toys or shoes left on the floor. The trade-off is the mop maintenance. Unlike the Ultra docks that wash the mop for you, the Q10 S5 Plus dock only empties the dustbin. You still have to manually remove and wash the mop pad after cleaning sessions. It's a fair compromise for the price, but if you want a completely hands-off mopping experience, you'll miss that washing feature. The price of the Q10 S5 Plus is its biggest selling point right now. While it has a list price of around $550, you can normally find it for around $299, making it one of the cheapest ways to get premium LiDAR navigation with auto-empty functionality. If you want Roborock's legendary software and mapping accuracy, but you don't need the heated water mop washing of the S Series flagships, this is the sweet spot in their current lineup. Moving into the premium territory, we have the DREAME L40 Ultra, which is essentially a flagship in everything but name. It brings some of the most advanced reach technology we've ever seen, like the Mop Extend feature, where the mop pad actually swings out to scrub alongside baseboards and into corners. It even has an extendable side brush that reaches into those tight 90-degree angles where most robots fail. With 11,000 pascal of suction, it is right there with the top performers for both hard floors and carpets. And its Omni station is a beast, using 149-degree Fahrenheit hot water to wash the mop pads. So in my experience, with this model, the mopping performance is where it truly stands out. It doesn't just surface clean. The hot water wash and the ability to extend the mops means it handles sticky kitchen messes and edge cleaning better than almost any other robot on this list. It also features an auto-lifting side brush and mop pads, so it can transition between different floor types seamlessly. Navigation combines LiDAR with an RGB camera and 3D structured light for obstacle detection, so it recognises objects and avoids them rather than bumping into everything. One drawback is inconsistent debris pickup on hard floors, especially fine dust, which may require multiple cleaning passes. Additionally, while the obstacle avoidance is excellent, the sheer number of moving parts means there is a bit more long-term maintenance involved. When it comes to the cost, the L40 Ultra launched with a premium $1,499 price tag, but the market has been very aggressive lately. Right now, you can get it for around $499 price tag, and during sales it even drops to around $450. For anyone with a larger home or multiple floor types who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution, the L4 Ultra delivers that premium experience. Finally, we have the Mova P10 Pro Ultra, which I'm calling the best overall flagship value right now. It pushes the suction even further to 13,000 pascals, making it one of the most powerful options in this list. It shares that brilliant extendable mop design and uses 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water for cleaning, but it adds a more advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system that can recognise over 70 different types of obstacles. The performance here is just ridiculous for the price. It handles dried-on stains with ease thanks to the dual spinning mops and the hot water wash, and that 13,000 pascal suction means it's pulling dirt from the very bottom of your carpet fibres. It's also one of the smartest navigators I've seen, rarely ever getting stuck or bumping into furniture. However, it performs poorly with pet hair on carpets and remains prone to long hair tangling around the brush roll, which requires manual cleanup. The absolute best part about the Mova P10 Pro Ultra is the price, which currently sits at just $449. Getting a higher suction, hot water mop washing and top-tier obstacle avoidance for under $450 is almost unheard of at that level. It is the ultimate choice for most users who want a flagship experience without the flagship price tag. If you want the most powerful, smartest, and most automated cleaning experience you can buy right now without breaking the bank, this is the one to get. So there you have it, the best budget robot vacuum and mops you can buy right now, no matter what you're looking for. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to check the links below for the latest deals, and let me know which robot vacuum you're leaning towards. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.